Hi, this is a short demo to show you how the Sundra system works. Now, when you start using the Sundra system, it's best to actually start uploading your assets into the system. So the assets are, for example, your logos and your intros and outros. And it can actually be good, for example, with your intros to have them in all the different aspect ratios that you want the outputs to be in. The system can crop the intros and outcomes by itself, but we usually advise our customers to have it in the right sizes, just so the outcomes are the best possible. Now, once you've uploaded the assets, what you have to do is you have to create a template. Templates basically tell the system how you want all the outputs to be. And you can create as many different types of outcomes as you want. Sessions are the full length video, and then you can have the clips in as many sizes and aspect ratios and different variations as you want. Now, with each variation, you can decide what the aspect ratio is. You can see how it changes here. You can pick the logo that you want to use. You can decide where it's supposed to be situated on the screen. You can change the size of it, and then you can pick the intro and the outro. And eventually you can add subtitles as well, and you can decide if the subtitles are supposed to be an overlay, which means that you can always see them on top, or if they're an option. So if you're uploading into systems like YouTube, that you can actually, the user can decide if they want to see them or not. Now, once you've created a good template that you want to work with, the only thing you literally have to do after that is just upload videos. So that means that once you've created the good template, anybody in your company can actually start uploading videos into the system. Now, when you're uploading videos into the system, basically the only thing you have to do, let me just take a test video here, drag a video here. If it's in any other language than English, then you can pick it from here. I think at the moment we have about, I think it's 11 different languages that we support, and we're adding more constantly. And you press continue, then you can put in some details about it. And then you pick the template. So I'm going to use the template that I already created, and that's it. Basically, the system starts processing the video, and what the system does is that it processes first the full length video, so it adds all the graphics and everything on top of that, and then after that analyzes and transcribes the whole video, so it turns it into text, and it kind of analyzes all the text to figure out where are interesting moments and what can we do with the video. So just to give you an example, let's do the pitch that I did at the Tonic conference. Now, the only thing that I did here was upload the video into the system. The system automatically created the session, and then it automatically, each one of these lines is a clip that the AI created. And you can see here on the right side, this is the text that the speaker is saying in the videos. The videos are usually, most common is between 30 to 90 seconds, but it differs, it's different between each speaker. And then you can also play around with the videos. So these you can see are all run through the same template that I picked at the beginning. But for example, in the bottom one here, I've picked another template that I ran it through. So and it's quite easy. So for example, I can take this clip and run it through another theme or another template, and it automatically updates them and creates adds the new intros, new outros, new logos, and kind of adapts it to the new template. And you can see how fast it is. This is in real time. It's basically already finished with the first video. It's going strong on the second one, and so on and so on. Now, and I've also played around a little bit with this, so you can see you can actually edit the outcomes and change individual things in the videos. What's also interesting is that we've also added tags to this. So you can very easily mark the videos that have been published, or if they need reviewing, you can mark them as review so that somebody can go over it and confirm that it's okay to publish them. So this is just to help people, because a lot of our users were working in teams that needed to go over the content before actually publishing it. And you can also filter by tags or by output types, the aspect ratio. So for example, here I only see these sizes. But what you can also do, so all of these clips are created by the AI, but you can actually also go into edit clips. And when you go into edit clips, you actually get the whole transcript from the talk. So in this case, it was just a 6-minute pitch. So it's not a lot of text. But if you have speakers talking for an hour or longer, it might be very long. But essentially, you can go through the text and you can say, actually, this part here was very interesting. And all you have to do is highlight it, press add clip, and boom, you have the clip ready. So it's super fast to create your own clips as well from the talk. And the system can then process it through the same template as you used for the original video. So that's basically it. It's super easy, and also when you have a lot of videos, it's easy to organize them. You can search here for what you're looking for. You can use the tags, so I can just see the ones that I'm pitching, webinars, and so on, and organize them by name or how long they are, and so on and so on. So overall, this is just a short kind of introduction to the system. As you can see, it's super simple to upload your videos and have the system create a lot of videos. And we've seen it do events in almost no time. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.